Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for Python. Today I'm going to show how to generate Radha Krishna image using Python turtle. So it's a simple one. So before seeing the output, I show the explanation here, the coding everything. So if you're a beginner, the video will be useful for you. So here I'm going to write the code like this. Import turtle, then I'm going to write turtle.pg color of some number that FFC 220 like that. Title I'm giving as Radha Krishna. So it's one of the simple program where I have so many explanations. I'm giving the short way. Then I'm writing T1 dot speed of 4. Then I'm writing the position. So as of now, turtle is one of the package very useful for draw pictures and graphics, anything what I want to. Number of operations could do with the help of turtle only. So it have options like it comes with the methods like T1 dot right up, then T1 dot pu, T1 dot forward up, then T1 dot left up. This is one frequently where you going to use because of you want to show the diagram, that means image of the Radha Krishna with a flute something. Then I'm going to write the turtle brush in a shade of blue color. So I'm writing T1 dot fill color, then followed by begin fill and forward right and forward right. Again I'm give the some sizes here. If you want you can change. Then end fill. Then I have to the base which is rectangular in shape. So what I would means I'm going to write the coding now. Continue fill color of this one I'm giving. Then I'm writing begin underscore build of, then forward of 160, left of 4. Then I'm continuing with the directions as I told you the method. Sorry, the method. Then I'm going to write Radha Krishna. So here we'll draw Radha Krishna on right side and Krishna on left side. So we'll start with the Radha. So I'm writing the program like this: T1 dot begin underscore fill, then T1 dot forward of 160 and followed by left of 130 and followed by circle of minus 300 comma 30 and followed by forward of 95. Then so it will draw the shoulder. Then I'm continuing the program with T1 dot circle of 50 comma 50 comma 40, then T1 dot right of 40, then right forward circle left, then T1 circle of 35 comma 28 and right complete the drawing of Radha. Then go for draw the Krishna's turban. So we can write the code like T1 dot right of 160, T1 dot circle of 10 comma 100 and T1 dot right of followed by 100, then circle forward of 20, left of 80, circle of 100 comma 15. So as of your knowledge in turtle means we can easily understand. In the previous videos I already told about something about turtle, how to use turtle successfully in for executing the Python project. So you can refer later. So I followed by like this. Then I'm writing the Krishna's Moorpang. So I'm writing the T1 dot right of 160 followed by T1 dot circle of 20 comma 100. Then I'm writing it is followed by the directions and then I'm going to conclude it. So again following the directions right circle left forward, and I'm following here and the circle. Again the code will draw the right hand of Krishna. I'm writing the T1 dot circle of 5 comma 120 followed by this. So like this, going to give open finger of right hand. I'm writing this. So simple and easy. It's not crossing more than 200 lines or so. Here I'm going to write Bansuri. So fingers holding Bansuri. I'm writing the code like the T1 dot right of 140 followed by circle of 3 comma 150 and followed by right of 110 and so on and so on. At last I'm going to complete it. So again second finger of again follow something same methods and I'm going to Bansuri write this. Simple and easy. So like this you can continue number of times, left hand, right hand, and everything. And at last we can complete the coding. Where means T1 dot. So for directions here speed also important and end fill you give and you can write Radha Krishna the information. At last we can complete with T1 dot hide turtle up, then we can complete with a turtle dot done up. So this is a way how we can generate or display or draw Radha Krishna image is in the uh, Python turtle. Let's go for the execution. So this yes, see. So at last we'll get the output here. 1 second I'm generating here. Going to execute the program 1 second. As we observe it. So the idea about turtle, we can do anything, number of things, anything here. in fraction of seconds. It show the draw the Radha Krishna image and display the headlines also.